Hi there, welcome to Sunny Boutique. Looking for something special today? Hi, yes, I have a friend's birthday party this weekend.
Oh, fun. What kind of party is it? Fancy or casual?
It's at a nice restaurant, so maybe something elegant, but not too fancy.
Got it. Let me guess. You want to look classy but comfortable, right?
Exactly, you read my mind.
All right, let's see. How about this red wine dress?
Oh my, that color looks strong. I'm not sure it fits my skin tone.
Don't worry, dear. Red looks stunning on warm skin like yours.
You think so? I usually wear light colors.
Then maybe try this pastel blue one. It's soft and elegant.
Ooh, I like that color. It feels calm and fresh.
Great choice. Want to try both and see?
Sure. If I get stuck, promise you'll be honest. Cross my heart. Go ahead, honey. The fitting room's right there. Okay. I tried the red one first. What do you think?
Wow, you look amazing. That dress makes your eyes pop.
Really? I feel like it's too bright for me.
Not at all. It gives you confidence, girl.
I kind of like the pastel one more. It feels me.
Oh, the blue one? Let's see it.
Okay, changing it right now. All done. So?
Oh my goodness, that's the one. You look like a cute cotton candy. Oh, you're too sweet. It's so comfortable, too.
That's what matters, darling. Fashion is comfort with confidence.
That's the best thing I heard today. You should print that on a t-shirt. Maybe I will.
So are we going with the pastel blue beauty?
Yes, I'll take it. It makes me feel calm and confident. Perfect choice. I'll wrap it up for you. Thank you. You're the best. Anytime, sweetheart. And hey, don't forget to dance at that party. I will. Maybe in this dress, I'll dance all night.
Good afternoon, sir. How can I help you today?
Hi there. I need a suit for a job interview tomorrow.
Excellent. Congratulations in advance. What kind of job, may I ask?
It's a sales position. I want to look sharp, but not too flashy.
Of course. First impressions matter, sir. Let's find the perfect balance.
Yeah, I don't want them to think I'm trying too hard.
Don't worry. A good suit says confidence, not arrogance.
That's good to hear. So what color should I go for?
Navy or gray would both look great on you.
Oh no, that's my problem. I can't decide between the two.
Let's try both, sir. You'll see which one speaks to you.
You are funny. All right, let's start with the navy one.
Great choice. Please try this one on. Slim fit Italian fabric.
Let me try it real quick. Okay, how does it look?
Oh my, that fits you perfectly around the shoulders.
Really? I feel like I can't move my arms much.
That's because it's new, sir. Suits need a little breaking in.
Fair enough. What do you think of the color?
The navy brings out your eyes. Very professional and confident.
Sounds good, but let's see the gray one too.
Certainly. Try this light gray one. It gives a softer impression.
Wait a minute. Okay, this one feels lighter.
Gray makes you look calm.
Wow, I do look like a manager in the mirror.
A future director, if you ask me.
You're too kind. I'll take your word for it.
Between us, I think the navy gives more presence.
So, navy it is. I'll go with that one.
Excellent choice, sir. Would you like to add a tie?
Sure. What do you suggest?
Try this burgundy tie. A little color adds personality.
Oh my, I actually look important now.
You are important, sir. Tomorrow's your day.
Thanks, man. I feel much more confident already.
That's the magic of a good suit.
If I get the job, I'll come back for my promotion suit.
Deal, and I'll have one ready for you, sir.
Hi there. Welcome to Gift and Style. Looking for something special?
Yes, I need a birthday gift for my best friend.
Great. Is it for a man or a woman?
For a woman. She's my bestie since high school.
That's sweet. What are you looking for?
Maybe some simple things, but practical, like something she can actually use.
Got it. Maybe a scarf? We just got new pastel ones in.
Ooh, those look nice. What color is this one?
That's pastel blue. Very soft and gentle. Perfect for spring.
It feels nice too. What's it made of?
It's a silk blend, light and smooth. Very good quality.
I like it. But what about that little wallet over there?
Oh, that one's made of genuine leather. It's stylish and comes in a gift box.
That's tempting. I can't decide now.
That's what I'm here for, ma'am. Tell me about your friend. What's she like?
She's cheerful, loves pastel colors, loves fashion. Oh, she loves everything.
Then I'd say the scarf wins. She may have her own wallet already, but no amount of cute scarves is enough.
You are good at this. That makes a lot of sense.
I'll take that as a compliment. Want me to wrap it for you?
Yes, please. Oh, and how much is it?
It's $35, but today we have a 10% discount.
Sweet.
Do you want a card with it?
Sure, a birthday card would be perfect.
How about this one with the little gold ribbon?
Oh, that's adorable. Yes, I'll take that.
All right, I'll wrap everything beautifully.
Thank you. You really helped me today.
My pleasure. Have fun at the party, and tell your friend happy birthday from us.
Will do. Thanks again. Bye. Hi there. Did you find everything you were looking for?
Yes, I did. This jacket was love at first sight.
Oh, that's a great pick. The color looks perfect on you.
Thanks. I hope my wife agrees.
I'm sure she will. So you have one jacket and a pair of shoes, right?
That's right. Are there any discounts today?
Yes. You get 10% off if you're a member. Do you have our membership card?
Not yet. Can I sign up now?
Of course. It only takes a minute.
Perfect. Let's do it.
Smart shopper. Okay, I just need your name and phone number.
Sure. It's Bennett10234.
Thank you. Done. You're officially a member now. Your total after discount is $125.
Not bad. Can I pay by card?
Sure. Please tap or insert your card here.
Tap. There we go.
Great. Would you like your receipt in the bag or printed separately?
In the bag, please. Oh, do you have a return policy?
Yes, you can return or exchange within 14 days with this receipt.
That's good to know.
All right, here's your bag.
Thanks. Have a great day.
My pleasure. Thank you for shopping with us today.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi. I'd like to return this shirt, please.
Sure. May I ask what seems to be the problem?
It's a bit small for me. I tried it on at home and, oh no, it didn't fit at all.
No worries. That happens all the time. Do you have the receipt with you?
Sure. Here it is.
Great. As long as it's within 14 days, we're good. Let me scan this for you.
Thank you so much. If possible, I would like a similar shirt, just one size bigger.
Got it. Let me check if we still have a size M in stock.
Thank you so much. I really love that shirt.
Let me check. Aha, lucky day. We have one left. Would you like to exchange it?
Yes, please. That would be perfect.
Wonderful. I'll grab it for you. Just a moment.
Aw, thank you.
Here you go. Size M, brand new, same color.
Oh, this looks great. Thank you so much for helping me.
My pleasure, ma'am. Would you like to try it on before confirming the exchange?
No need. I know this one will fit just right.
All right, I'll process the exchange now. One moment. Done.
Wow, that was quick.
Happy to help. Anything else I can assist you with today?
No, that's all. Thanks again for being so patient.
Anytime. Have a wonderful day and enjoy your new short.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons. Now, we have a fun homework for you. Please comment below and tell us, Do you often shop for clothes? Have a nice day, and we'll see you in the next video.